Honey, I'm home and I got some packages. We got some deliveries today, guys. We have this over here from Bloomingdale's. What could it be? What could it be? And then we have this from Nike. What can it be? We're gonna unbox this right now, show you live.
Jungle.
Okay guys, so we're gonna unbox these two boxes here. One is from Bloomingdale's, one is from Nike, like I mentioned earlier. Let me take off my shades. These are my legit dope shades. Autofocus, there you go. From Louis Vuitton. The autofocus didn't work quite so well. But so which one should we do first? Let's do this one first. Actually, no, change my mind. Let's do the Nike first. So this is going on StockX. I have been purchasing sneakers and Supreme gear. Oh, matter of fact, I have a Supreme surprise to share. But I have been purchasing stuff through the Nike app, and then of course reselling it to those who aren't able to get it at a higher cost. So this is from Nike. As you can see here, it says thank you for your order. Throw this out. So Nike box. What do you think it is? Their label. These are the Air Vapormax 97s, 9.5. Let's open this sucker. Dun, 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 dun. Can we guess? 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 Bam! These are the Nike Vapormax Air Max 97. So these look pretty comfy to wear. These look pretty comfy. As you can see, the soles are pretty special where they have kind of like hair in them. Pretty cool sneakers. These are not, I'm not keeping. I bought them on the Nike app for about $170, I believe, and I'm actually reselling them now. They already sold for $300. So you can call me a troll, call me whatever you want, but there is actually money to be made buying sneakers and reselling them. So I would never wear these, me personally speaking, so these are going to be going to another home. Again, I use an application called StockX, and that's where I sell my sneakers and my Supreme gear that I purchase. And like I mentioned earlier, I do have some Supreme gear that I will share with you guys momentarily. All right, guys, so now I'm moving on. Forget about the Nike sneakers, which are already sold. Now move on to this way. First, remove the shades again. So this right here is something that I buy all the time. Usually, I want to say maybe like once a year. It is something that I use daily, and actually I highly recommend it. So this is the Bloomingdale's package. This is the receipt right here. As you may or may not be able to see, there you go. It's focusing. $560. Yep, and 71 cents. Let's see what this is all about. I use this every single day. Valentino Donna, which I do not use every single day. This is actually a gift for my wife for Mother's Day coming up now in May. Got a great deal on it, so we had to buy it now, buy ahead. Remember, Mother's Day is coming up. But forget about Mother's Day when you gotta treat yourself to Father's Day. This right here is my favorite, Creed Aventus. This right here is my holy grail of cologne, Creed Aventus, and I'm gonna show you why. Well, I actually can't show you why. I can only tell you why, but I can't show you why. So this cologne, like I said, is called Creed, and I've been using it now for maybe over 2-3 years. My wife actually bought me my first one as a gift for Christmas 2 years ago, and ever since I've been using it all the time. I get a lot of compliments at work. I usually do 1 spray or 2, 1 on each side, and it will last me literally the whole day. So this bottle typically costs about $500, I believe. Actually, I'll share it from the receipt. This bottle, it's actually $425, but I got a discount on it through Bloomingdale's. They had a friends and family. This did not qualify for friends and family, but they were able to provide $15 off every $150 you spend on cosmetics and fragrances. So each bottle, this is the bottle, by the way. Each bottle, believe it or not, is actually labeled. There's a lot number on it right here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera, but there's a lot label on it. Pretty much almost like the serial number for it. It is made in France, and it's such a beautiful bottle. 3.3 ounces. Smells really, really, really good. I highly recommend it to everybody. Now there is a 8.8 ounce at $500. That comes in a Falcon bottle. If you don't know what a Falcon bottle is, it's a circular bottle which has almost like a glass. So this top will be glass. So what you would do is just kind of tap. It says online, tap it open on that bottle. And then it would have somewhat of a stopper. So you're supposed to, in essence, you know, turn the bottle upside down and then use the dapper and dap it on your neck. I wasn't a personal big fan of that, because I think my mentality is that if you open up the bottle and close it so many times or once per day, and the air is going to come in and definitely affect the juice in the liquid, and it should over time deteriorate the actual cologne. So I chose to, it makes more financial sense to get an 8 ounce at $500 versus a 3 ounce at $425. But I went with this because it has a spray. Now you can go on Amazon, or you can go on Creed's website itself and buy these smaller bottles if you do get the 8 ounce, where you will pour your Creed onto these small bottles, and then these small little spray bottles. I wasn't too much of a big fan of that because I didn't want to mess it up, and I didn't want to accidentally drop a $500 bottle of cologne. So I just went ahead and decided to stick to the simple solution, which was the spray right here. And this should last me another year or 2. This is fantastic. I highly recommend it. And that's pretty much it for this video. But before I let you go, let me just show you some Supreme gear I picked up, which I will give to my son as a gift. Ta-da! So I just so happened to be walking down Broadway in Soho in Manhattan. I walked into the Supreme store and I was able to get this really cool sweater. This is called a piping sweater by Supreme, and it's just a regular black sweater with, I guess, white piping around, and it has a really discreet logo here that says Supreme. I'm not big of a brand hoarder, so I don't like to flash brands, so that's why I thought this sweater was cool, because it is a Supreme sweater and it has the Supreme logo here very small, versus some people that walk around with a t-shirt that says Supreme on their stomach, or Supreme on their chest, or even Supreme hat on their head. Alright guys, this concludes my video today of the random crap I buy. Let me know what your thoughts are, if you like Creed, if you like something else rather than Aventus, or there's a particular scent that you really enjoy. I would love to hear your comments on that. Valentino, Donna, is this a good purchase for my wife? I don't know. It is Mother's Day and I think this smells good, I heard. Didn't get to try it out, I bought it online. Do you like these Nike Airmaxes? Let me know. I personally wouldn't wear this as a foam, not a foam, sorry, Vapormax sneakers, but it seems to be a lot of, very popular, and a lot of people like it. And then the Supreme sweater, Should I resell it for $300 or keep it for my son? It was $140. Let me know. Please like it. And I see you guys with my next pickup or my next pile of junk. Take care. And cut. I can't do this with you. Their scent that you like. And
you should put that in the video though.
No,
okay.